when you look at what this particular company, and I say company because a company is it's a building. The people are the company. If you look at this company and you see the journey it has traveled, I can tell you for free that the potential is beyond anyone's imagination in this room. And that potential only comes from our collaboration.
I stand before you extremely proud. I stand before you humbled. I stand before you excited as to the things that we're going to do. And I stand before you knowing and having the full confidence that if you don't have that full confidence, by the time you see us operate together, you will gain that full confidence.